Have you ever felt a shiver when you saw these special creatures? At first glance, they may seem scary and are often associated with the image of harmful blood-sucking creatures. However, in China, these creatures are considered a valuable resource, playing an important role in medicine and many other industries. Today, we will explore the process of raising and processing leeches, a unique animal with great potential value. Leech farms in China are often built in carefully selected areas. They are kept away from strong winds but still need direct sunlight. This lighting not only helps maintain the ideal temperature, but also supports the natural growth of the leeches. Drainage and irrigation systems are extremely important. Leech tanks require clean water, usually taken from natural ponds or specially designed tanks. The water in the tank must be maintained at a temperature of 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. This is the ideal temperature range for healthy growth and optimal size of leeches. In the wild, leeches feed primarily on animal blood, but when kept in captivity, they are often fed nutrient-rich foods such as snails, mussels, and sometimes blood snails. These foods are suitable for the leech's natural diet, are easy to find, and provide the energy needed for their growth. To be effective, feeding the leeches must be done regularly, not only to maintain the health of the leeches, but also to avoid polluting the water source. On average, each 1,000 leeches will consume about 20 kilograms of snails and mussels per week. This amount of food must be strictly controlled to avoid waste and to maintain stable water quality in the tank. To ensure quality and production efficiency, farmers will select the healthiest leeches for breeding. These leeches should appear smooth, elastic, and free of damage or discoloration. Their color is usually uniform, without light or white spots, and can range from green, brown, to black depending on the species. When touched, healthy leeches will contract quickly and move vigorously, showing good vitality. Usually, adult leeches between 5 and 10 centimeters long will be selected for breeding because this is the appropriate size for their sexual maturity. Breeding and rearing of baby leeches. Farmers collect eggs from healthy leeches. The eggs are usually found in the natural habitat of leeches. Each egg sac contains about 10 to 20 embryos, and they are placed in a prepared environment. After just a few weeks, the eggs will hatch into baby leeches that are 1 to 2 centimeters long. The young leeches are fed blood from livestock such as cows or pigs. This blood is carefully collected and fed to the leeches under strict controls to avoid infection. This process lasts from 4 to 6 weeks depending on the species. After several months to a year, the leeches will reach their maximum size of between 5 and 15 centimeters, depending on the species. During this period, farmers need to closely monitor the water quality in the tank, including factors such as pH, dissolved oxygen, and potential contaminants. Maintaining a clean water environment not only helps the leeches grow healthily, but also minimizes the risk of disease spreading in the tank. When the adult leeches reach a size of 10 to 15 centimeters, they are transferred to separate tanks. Farmers often fast the leeches for a few weeks before harvesting. This allows the leeches to fully digest the excess food, ensuring the quality of their bodies before processing. After harvesting, the leeches are washed with water to remove dirt or other contaminants. They are then dried in the sun. Dried leeches are more valuable because they are easier to store and transport and are believed to have more potent medicinal properties than fresh leeches. For centuries, leeches have been an indispensable part of traditional Chinese medicine. In particular, leech saliva contains compounds with anticoagulant properties, which are used in the treatment of various diseases. This is the reason why the leech farming industry in China is growing and receiving great attention from both domestic and foreign countries. The blood-sucking plant contains huina, a powerful anticoagulant. Huina helps prevent blood clotting and promotes blood circulation in the body. This makes blood-sucking an effective treatment, especially for conditions such as varicose veins, skin grafts, and reconstructive surgeries. In these cases, improving blood flow is key to supporting the recovery and healing process. In addition to medicine, leeches are also used in the beauty industry. Dried leeches are processed into skincare products such as lotions and creams, which effectively restore the skin. The combination of modern technology and careful management of the breeding process has helped the leech industry in China develop rapidly. Not only meeting domestic demand, leech products have also expanded to the international market, bringing huge economic benefits to the country. Leech farming is booming in China, especially in rural areas. Leech farms not only contribute significantly to the local economy, but also provide jobs for local residents and promote related industries such as blood collection and pharmaceutical production. A large-scale leech farm can produce thousands of leeches a year. With a production cost of only a few yuan per leech, farmers can earn a significant amount of income from this activity. However, leech farming is not simple. Farmers must carefully manage the water environment, a key factor in the growth of leeches. The water source must be clean, maintained at the ideal temperature, and free of contaminants. Managing the water environment not only helps leeches grow healthily, but also has a positive impact on the local ecosystem. However, the leech farming industry still faces major challenges. Among them are the ethical issues associated with collecting blood from livestock, as well as the risk of leeches being released into the wild without control, causing negative impacts on the ecosystem. Therefore, the management of this industry needs to be strictly implemented and with careful ethical considerations. Aside from their medicinal and economic roles, did you know that leeches are also used as food in some regions of China? Yes, in local cuisine, leeches are considered a delicacy and are often prepared deep-fried or used as a filling for dumplings. However, this is not common in Chinese culinary culture, and not everyone in this country consumes leeches. In short, the leech industry in China not only contributes to the development of medicine, beauty, and economy, but also opens up interesting potentials in cuisine. Thank you for watching the video. Wish you and your family good health and happiness. See you in the next content.